Well, and for listeners that aren't familiar with that, you essentially have to rise above the presumption of a public figure and have actual malice. And things change when you're on a news network. But that network is responsible for what is said on its airwaves. And I argue, Sean, that here, the actual cause of action is for criminal incitement. Because it's not quite necessarily defamation, you could say. He could go that route. But for me, in this political climate, I would come after this guy with incitement rhetoric. And I would put forth the countless death threats that Stephen Miller suffers and members of this administration suffer. And I would put forth as evidence the continued battery and assaults against political activists and simple public servants in this administration, because rhetoric like that is what leads to bullets being shot toward people's heads. It is frightening. And shame on the producers and the executives of that network, Sean, because that is who are the decision makers that allows this kind of content on. No one stopped him. The host didn't step in. This person has been coddled by Hollywood and lives in an insular petri dish where he can say what he wants in the lavish confines of his multi-millions. But everyone else has accountability. And I think you are right that a legal cause of action would certainly send a very heavy message.